Lenovo, a global leader in technology, has once again pushed the boundaries of innovation with its latest offering, the Lenovo Legion Y700. Unveiled on July 22, 2023, this gaming tablet has swiftly captured the attention of tech enthusiasts and gamers alike with its impressive specifications and sleek design. Design and display. Lenovo Legion Y700 isn't just another gaming tablet, it's a statement of innovation and sleek design. From its compact dimensions to its stunning display, every aspect of its design has been meticulously crafted to elevate the gaming experience to new heights. Measuring at 208.9 x 129.5 x 7.6 mm, 8.22 x 5.10 x 0.30 inches, and weighing a mere 350 g, 12.35 ounces, the Legion Y700 strikes the perfect balance between portability and performance. Its slim profile and lightweight construction make it easy to slip into a bag or carry around for gaming on the go. Whether you're commuting to work or lounging at home, the Legion Y700 is designed to be your trusted companion wherever you go. At the heart of the Legion Y700 lies its breathtaking 8.8-inch IPS LCD display. Boasting a refresh rate of 144 Hz and support for Dolby Vision and HDR10, the display delivers an unrivaled level of immersion and realism to your gaming experience. With a resolution of 1600 x 2560 pixels and a pixel density of approximately 343 pixels per inch, every image is rendered with stunning clarity and detail. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in intense firefights, the Legion Y700's display ensures that every frame is smooth and every detail is crisp. With a brightness of 500 nits, typical, the Legion Y700's display is capable of producing vibrant colors and deep contrasts, bringing your games to life like never before. Whether you're traversing lush forests or navigating dark dungeons, every scene is rendered with stunning realism and depth. The tablet's wide color gamut ensures that every hue is reproduced accurately, while its high contrast ratio ensures that blacks are deep and whites are bright, resulting in a truly immersive visual experience. Performance. The Lenovo Legion Y700 isn't just a gaming tablet, it's a powerhouse of performance, designed to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. With cutting-edge hardware and seamless optimization, the Legion Y700 ensures that every game runs smoothly and every task is handled with ease. At the heart of the Legion Y700 lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, built on a 4nm process for enhanced efficiency and performance. Featuring an octa-core CPU configuration, including a high-performance Cortex-X 2-core clocked at 3.19 GHz, the Legion Y700 delivers blazing fast speeds and responsive performance for even the most demanding games and applications. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in intense multiplayer battles, the Legion Y700 ensures that you stay ahead of the competition with its lightning-fast processing power. Gaming is all about visuals, and the Legion Y700 doesn't disappoint in this regard. Equipped with the Adreno 730 GPU, the Legion Y700 delivers stunning graphics, rendering and smooth frame rates, ensuring that every game looks and plays beautifully. Whether you're admiring the breathtaking vistas of an open-world RPG or experiencing the adrenaline-pumping action of a first-person shooter, the Legion Y700's powerful GPU ensures that you're fully immersed in the gaming experience. Multitasking is a breeze on the Legion Y700 thanks to its generous memory and storage options. With configurations available in either 256 GB of storage, paired with 12 GB of RAM or 512 GB of storage with 16 GB of RAM, the Legion Y700 provides ample space for all your games, apps, and multimedia content. Whether you're juggling multiple tasks at once or switching between apps on the fly, the Legion Y700 ensures that everything runs smoothly and efficiently, without any slowdowns or hiccups. From its high refresh rate display to its tuned stereo speakers, every aspect of the Legion Y700 is designed with gaming in mind. The tablet's 144 Hz IPS LCD display ensures fluid gameplay and stunning visuals, while its stereo speakers, tuned by JBL, deliver immersive audio that brings your games to life. Whether you're playing solo or competing in multiplayer matches, the Legion Y700 provides the perfect platform for gaming enthusiasts to unleash their full potential. Gaming experience. Designed with gamers in mind, the Lenovo Legion Y700 provides an unparalleled gaming experience on a portable device. The high refresh rate display ensures fluid gameplay, while the tuned stereo speakers, courtesy of JBL, deliver immersive audio for a truly captivating gaming session. Additionally, the absence of a physical 3.5 mm audio jack is compensated by the tablet's advanced wireless connectivity options, camera and audio. The Lenovo Legion Y700 isn't just about gaming, it's about creating a complete multimedia experience. With its advanced camera system and immersive audio capabilities, the Legion Y700 ensures that you can capture every moment and enjoy every sound with stunning clarity and detail. The Legion Y700 features a sophisticated dual-camera setup designed to capture every moment with precision and clarity. The primary camera boasts a 13-megapixel sensor, capable of capturing detailed photos with vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're snapping pictures of breathtaking landscapes or capturing action-packed moments, the Legion Y700's primary camera ensures that you never miss a shot. The Legion Y700 also features a 2-megapixel macro lens, allowing you to get up close and personal with your subjects and capture stunning close-up shots with incredible detail. Whether you're photographing intricate details or exploring the world of macro photography, the Legion Y700's macro lens opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities. The Legion Y700 also delivers an immersive audio experience that brings your multimedia content to life. The tablet is equipped with stereo speakers, tuned by JBL, to deliver rich, dynamic sound that fills the room with crystal-clear audio. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or playing games, the Legion Y700's stereo speakers ensure that you can enjoy every moment with immersive audio that engages your senses and enhances your overall multimedia experience. The Legion Y700 supports high-resolution audio playback, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music and movies with studio-quality sound that reproduces every nuance and detail with stunning clarity and fidelity. Connectivity and battery. In terms of connectivity, the Lenovo Legion Y700 offers Wi-Fi 800 2.11, Bluetooth, and 2 USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 2 ports with DisplayPort 1.4 support for seamless connectivity with external peripherals and displays. The tablet is fueled by a robust 6,550 mAh battery, ensuring long hours of uninterrupted gaming and entertainment. With 45-watt wired charging support, users can quickly recharge their device and get back into action in no time. Software and features. Running on Android 13 with Lenovo's ZUI 14 interface, the Legion Y700 provides a smooth and intuitive user experience with access to a vast ecosystem of apps and games through the Google Play Store. The tablet is equipped with a range of sensors, including accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass, enhancing its versatility and functionality. The Lenovo Legion Y700 redefines the gaming tablet landscape with its cutting-edge specifications, sleek design, and immersive gaming experience. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, this tablet is sure to exceed your expectations with its unparalleled performance and versatility. With the Legion Y700, Lenovo once again demonstrates its commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of technology. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.